Urban sprawl, the unchecked expansion of cities into their surrounding environments, presents significant challenges to sustainable development and environmental preservation. As cities expand outward, the environmental consequences become increasingly pronounced, affecting ecosystems, biodiversity, and human well-being. This essay explores the detrimental effects of urban sprawl and proposes strategies for designing more sustainable cities. The environmental consequences of urban sprawl are manifold. Firstly, it leads to the loss of natural habitats. As cities stretch into rural areas, forests, wetlands, and other natural habitats are cleared to make way for residential and commercial developments. This not only diminishes biodiversity, but also disrupts local ecosystems, leading to a decline in native flora and fauna. Moreover, urban sprawl exacerbates climate change. The increased distances people must travel from suburban areas to city centres contribute to higher carbon emissions, as residents rely more heavily on personal vehicles due to the lack of efficient public transportation options. Additionally, the replacement of natural land with asphalt and concrete increases surface temperatures, contributing to the urban heat island effect, which exacerbates urban air and temperature pollution. Furthermore, urban sprawl strains water resources. The impermeable surfaces of urban developments increase runoff, reducing groundwater recharge and leading to water pollution as untreated stormwater is channeled into lakes, rivers, and oceans. This not only harms aquatic ecosystems, but also poses challenges to water quality and availability for human use. To mitigate these environmental consequences, cities must be designed more sustainably. One approach is the adoption of smart growth principles, which emphasize higher density living, mixed-use developments, and the preservation of open spaces and natural areas. By concentrating development within urban cores, cities can reduce the need for personal vehicle use, lower emissions, and preserve more natural land. Implementing green infrastructure, such as green roofs, parks, and permeable pavements, can help manage stormwater runoff, reduce urban heat islands, and enhance urban biodiversity. Moreover, sustainable urban design must prioritize public transportation and non-motorized transport options like cycling and walking. Developing efficient and accessible public transit systems, along with safe and interconnected networks of sidewalks and bike paths, can reduce reliance on personal vehicles, decrease emissions, and promote healthier lifestyles. In conclusion, urban sprawl presents a significant challenge to environmental sustainability, leading to habitat destruction, increased carbon emissions, and strained water resources. However, by embracing smart growth strategies and investing in green infrastructure and sustainable transportation, cities can mitigate the environmental impacts of sprawl. Designing cities with sustainability in mind is not only essential for the health of the planet, but also for the well-being of current and future generations.